credit score has increased 51 points. And hey, the only question that I have is, who's joining the 700 club with me before this year is over? Who's boosting their credit score with me before the year is over? Who's deleting all the negative and erroneous items off of their credit report before this year is over? Who's serious and not just curious about their credit? Credit determines where you live. Credit determines what kind of car you drive. Credit determines what kind of job you get. So at the end of the day, wouldn't you say credit is important? Absolutely, it's important. So Jason, how was you able to obtain a 621 credit score and boost 51 points? Well, good question. The 750 credit plan. We have 26 step-by-step videos. We have the dispute letters. We have everything that you need in order to be a credit, quote-unquote, expert. All right? So with the information that I've obtained, if I wanted to, I could start my own credit repair company. All right? So you got two choices here. You can either pay $188.89 a month to have somebody do it for you, or you can pay $47.90, get access to this life-changing information, and lower your taxes, not to mention boosting your credit score. Hey, and not to mention shift your income, get an increase on your next paycheck. Your next paycheck, $200 to $500 extra a month coming into your household. Or you can just say, you know what, I'm going to go try and find this information myself because I'm not paying for knowledge. Somebody told me that before, and I said, okay, guess what, I see that this is a fit for you. Good luck on finding that knowledge. So right now we have that knowledge. Like I said, if you're serious and not just curious about changing your credit score and upgrading the quality of your life and your finances, ask me how. Send me a link, Jason. Just ask me, and I'll send you the link. But first, you have to qualify, because there's a lot of people request information, and when I send it to them, they do nothing with it. So be prepared not to get the link first. Be prepared to get asked a couple of questions, and you have to qualify. If you don't qualify, you can get the link from someone else. All right, I'll see you guys on the other side of money. Peace and blessings.